how to add keyboard languages in Mac. If you're using MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac or Mac Mini, the steps are going to be same for all these devices. Now, if you are using Mac keyboard and if you have added a single keyboard language, this is how it will look like. This is the screen keyboard I'm showing you. Now, if you want to add multiple keyboard languages in your Mac, then how can you do that? So the process is actually very simple. First step you need to do is you need to open system settings in your Mac. You can find that in dock, or else you can go and select Apple logo, then system settings. Once you open system settings, this is how it will look like. In search, you can type keyboard over here and you will get keyboard option. If you don't want to search, on the left hand side you get multiple options. Go down and over here you get an option of keyboard. Select that. Once you select keyboard, on the right hand side again you get multiple option. Go down and in text input you get input sources option. Select edit option over here. Now currently you can see I have added only US keyboard in my Mac, and if I show you the screen keyboard, this is how the US keyboard looks like, right? Now if you want to add another keyboard language, for that you need to select this plus icon at the bottom. Tap on that and you will get a pop-up screen. In English you have multiple options to choose from, so you can add that keyboard as well. But let's say if you want to check out the options, these are the options available to add. So let's say for example if I want to add Italian keyboard, so you can see you get an option of Italian over here, and as soon as you select that, on the right hand side it is showing two more options. So this is the one option which you can check out. So this is one keyboard and there is another keyboard for that Italian option as well. So you can see the keyboard layout has been changed a bit. So you have this option as well. So you can, whenever you select any particular keyboard language, it will show all the available options. You can check one by one, and then to add you need to select this add option. So I'm going to add this second option. So as soon as I select add, you can see earlier there was only US keyboard, now we have added Italian keyboard as well. In order to add multiple keyboards, if you want to add another keyboard language, again plus icon, you can search for other keyboard languages. Let's say if you want to add Mongolian, if I select Mongolian, it is only showing one option, which is this one. Now you can see the keyboard layout over here and select add option. Now you can see we have added two more keyboard languages. Simply select done option. Now if I open pages, for now let's say the current input source is US, so these are the two options which we have added just now. Earlier only US was there. So if I type Karmatek over here, so this is US keyboard. If you want to change the input source, for that make sure in settings in input source, whenever you select edit option, so make sure to turn on this toggle show input menu in menu bar. If this toggle is off, you won't be able to change the input source from menu bar directly. Make sure you turn on this toggle over here, and then you can directly change the input source from here, right? Once you turn on the toggle, simply select done option. Now this was in US. If you want to change the input source, you can tap on the menu bar over here. If you want to select Italian, you can select Italian, and now you can see it has been changed. If I show you the screen keyboard, it will change the layout on this as well, right? So if I select Mongolian, now you can see it will change the layout over here on the screen keyboard as well. And after selecting the input source, you can start typing, right? So this is how simple it is to change the input source and to add keyboard language in your Mac. So if you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.